Good morning, Clay Thompson here at Guarantee RV Center in Junction City. On this cold morning, I'm going to show you a brand new 2020 Northwood Arctic Fox 865 non-slide camper. Come on inside. This particular camper is made for a short box. It's got an onboard generator. Come on in here with the Fox landing. Makes it real easy to enter into the camper. Overhead cabinetry from the dinette. Dinette's going to make into a nice large second bed. This is going to have dual pane windows, air conditioning, nice big wet bath that you can see inside there. Plenty of room, large bathroom for a non-slide camper, folks. And then as we move toward the bed area, that's a full-size queen-size bed with fantastic fan and shade cover over. But you notice that's going to be a full queen-size bed. You got independent lights on each side, individual plug-ins, individual USB plug-ins on both sides of the bed, along with the cabinetry to hang our clothes. Skylight in the middle of the camper with a slide shade. This is going to have a solar panel already on it to keep the batteries charged. A nice big two-door refrigerator freezer. Nice big closet next to it. AM/FM CD player. It's got the new Furrion microwave oven. Stainless steel fronts, nice backsplash, the new Furrion oven, and 3-burner cooktop with the glass door oven. A really nice upgrade to the new 2020 models. Counter space, this would be like a rear kitchen. It's got the one-piece farm-style sink in it with a big cutting board, large pull-out nozzle, overhead cabinetry. Plenty of ceiling height, which is real nice. Bank of drawers. Drawers underneath both sides of the dinette. Drawers underneath the kitchen. Control panel right at the doorway, so when we enter, everything's real easy to get to, and turning on and off, checking our gauges for our tank levels and whatnot. And this one's going to have a handful of options, which is nice. The generator, which I spoke about earlier. The Fox landing. It's going to have the rear exterior speaker system with the rear power awning. We have the exterior LP connect, quick disconnect on the back end. Now on the this model, it does have the full pass-through. The shade's down up forward, but as we look in our rearview mirror of our truck that we're pulling with, we do have the window to look out the back end, as well as having a blackout shade here with the shade above. Nice big bumper out the back end. 110 plug-ins off the back end for our power options. This will hold 2 good-sized batteries with the tray here. We supply 2 new batteries, fill the propane tanks when we sell it. Access for our gate valves and all there. Solar ready for a side panel A-frame portable. Dark tinted glass. The new 20 model also has the flush mount LED lights, a little bit different graphic style. Full queen bunk out the front end. New end logo on the cap. Now this is a one-piece end cap, no seams in the middle to create any kind of leaks. Got the big bumpers, so when we load on the truck, we're all the way forward and got a pad there. Nice solid jacks screwed onto the corners. Large propane tanks on a pull-out tray. That's got 2 of them. They're 2 7-gallon tanks. Then this here being the curbside. This one doesn't have a curbside awning, but could be added if wanted to. Short box, so we have the side skirt there to make it look right. And then, like I said, the new graphics. Kind of a quick video on this Arctic Fox 865. The nice thing about the 865 camper of Arctic Fox is it's built with the same thickness of wall as the Arctic Fox with a slide. Therefore, you're not losing any efficiency of the build. Aluminum frame, block foam walls, solid roof, crowned roof, nothing to pool water up top. Very, very well thought out floor plan. Very good all-season camper. If you have any questions, feel free to call. My name again is Clay Thompson with Guarantee RV Center. My direct line is 541-979-1770. And I want you to take a look at the line of campers that we have here. We have a large inventory right now. So just wanted to get it out there, let you all see that we have a big inventory of campers, and give me a call if there's something I can do for you. Thank you and have a great day.